Okay, grade 8. I noticed majority of you do not know how to do Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams, this is called a Venn diagram. These things you learn in grade 3 and 4. Okay? Now, if you don't know how to read this thing, life will not be easy for you for lesson 3. Because if you read wrong, everything is wrong. Everything. One little mistake makes everything wrong. Now, when you get your Venn diagram, you start asking yourself a few questions. This Venn diagram is about dogs and cats, okay? So, how many people, how many like dogs only? How many like cats only? How many like both dogs and cats? How many like neither? Like neither. Okay? And then what is the total? How many people were surveyed? How many people were surveyed? This means total. How many people in all did I ask the question? When you get your Venn diagram, write these 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You must answer these 5 questions before you draw your table. This way your life is easy. Now let's look here. Dogs only, here. Dogs only is this space. This space here is dogs only. This part of your circle. This one. This is dogs only. Cats only. I don't have another color. Where's my pencil? Here. My pencil. This part here is cats only. This way. In this circle right here. This is cats only. So right here, cats only. Cats only. This one is both. This one here is neither. If it is not in the circle, that means they don't want it. So this one is neither. The one that is outside the circle but inside the box is neither. Okay? Alright. Then total, you add all your 3 numbers. 9 plus 18 plus 14 plus 10. You go to your calculator. So that is 9 plus 18 plus 14 plus 10. You get 51. That gives us 51. Okay? Then dogs only, that is 9. Cats only, that is 14. Both is 18. Neither is 10. There. After you've answered these questions, now you can draw your table and fill it out. So let me draw my table. Give me 1 second, I draw. Because I can't hold the phone and draw at the same time. So I'll draw quickly. Alright, here is my table. I have drawn it. Okay? So you draw 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Columns go vertically. And then this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, this is row 4. You should have 4 columns, you should have 4 rows. 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it doesn't matter where you put dogs or where you put cats. It does not matter. What matters is you write the correct thing in the correct place. Now, because dogs is the first one here, I would put dogs up here. So I will write dogs, no dogs. Total. I will write cats, no cats, total. Now, total for everything is where the two totals meet. The number you get after you add everybody goes here because it's the adding of both totals. So where this total and this total meet, this is all. That is here, put all here. This one is neither. Because no and no, they meet over here. So this is neither. This one is both. So if you label these 3 like this, everything will be easy. Both, neither, all. There. So you fill in this information. Our both is 18. Our neither is 10. Our total is 51. If you fill these 3 numbers correctly, at least you will get correct. Alright. People who like dogs and they don't like cats means dog only. This is people who like dogs but they don't want cats. That means dog only. Dog only is 9. This means people who like cats but they don't want dogs. So that means cat only. And cat only is who? 14. And that's it. And then you add 18 plus 9, that should be 27. 14 plus 10, that should be what? 24. 27 plus 24 should give you 51. 9 plus 10 should give you 19. We are making life too difficult for no reason. 18 plus this one is 32. 18 plus 14 is 32. Please, practice. I don't know how else to tell you. This is the only way I can explain to you. You have to practice. Go on the internet, download Venn diagrams. Just go there and say Venn diagrams. Do 3 of them. Draw a table and see if you can do. And send to me. I will check for you. Okay?